Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a hibiscus nail flower. So easy, beautiful and simple to make. This is so simple for beginners and very easy to go with. So this is my nude lay background. Yeah, I love nude colors. Yeah. So with here I use my dotting pen and a white gel polish to make dots for the flower. I made three dots, leave a space. I made another three dots and leave some space in it because that's actually how the flower looks like. So here I was done with the dot. I took my art brush. I gently dragged the polish down, creating little lines. I dragged it to the center part, and please take note I did not dry it after making those dots. I was so much in love with what I was doing because it was turning to exactly what I wanted. So nice. So this is our beautiful flower. We are not done yet. You have to give it a stem. So I made the dots at the center of the flower. Use the art brush to drag it down outside the flower itself. Ta-da! Our flower is ready. So I went in with a top coat just to give it a shiny, glossy finishing. Yes, the flower is ready. Simple look, very beautiful, easy to make. So please don't forget to share, like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you more and more of nail art. Thank you all for watching. And don't forget to comment. I'll be expecting your comment. Thank you. We love you all. Mwah.